Hi.
Welcome.
I love that. Are you ready for your 73 question interview?
If I look good, yeah. If I don't, no.
You do. So let's get to it.
Okay, so this is the TEDx working space. We have throw pillows there. I love this space personally. Diba? Like, it's so fun. Tapos, yeah. You can have dinners here, meetings, then that if they want to be alone and have their own working space. This one's the fun part, so like you chill here and everything.
First of all, I love how you're already giving us so many answers, even without me asking a single question. But let's start off with, what is your name and what do you do?
Hi, I'm Yedda. So my role in TEDx, I'm actually the productions lead. So I organize the pre-event mixers and other stuff that need productions. Well, productions.
Love that. Okay, Yedda, on a scale of 1 to 10, how hard is it to be a TEDx organizer?
Honestly, it's around 7 to 8, because it's not an easy work, especially for people who are handling like the speakers, the sponsorships, the partners, because we need a lot of those. So it needs like a lot of details, and you have to be very detailed when it comes to like paperwork and everything. So
I
7 to
see.
8. Yung dalawang numbers, 9 and 10, for fun na lang yun.
I see. Okay. Okay, love that. 7 to 8. On a scale of 1 to 10 also, how fun is it?
How fun is it? Gano'n ba ka-fun? Ikaw, do you think it's gonna be fun?
Yeah.
Siguro, how fun is it? I feel like I don't have to rate it because we all have our own definition of what is fun. But for me, it's totally fun because I like to work. At the same time, I like to meet new people, and in TEDx, I feel like it opened me a lot of avenues, a lot of, knowledge about these stuff, like business and stuff. Because I'm an international studies student, so, I was open, or not open, but I got introduced to the world of startups. Wow.
Yeah, love that. Okay, so now going back to your role as a TEDx organizer, if you were an alcoholic drink, as a productions lead, what drink would you be and why?
Like what drink I would be?
Yes.
I wanna be like sangria. Para they drink me every day. I'm kidding. I love sangria, so I'd rather be sangria. Gusto ko sangria eh. Bakit pa?
I see. Okay.
Para like sweet, nakakalasing, pero sweet. Di mo sure na ano ka na pala sa charms ko.
She's single, ready to mingle. Love that. Okay, if you were a kind of food, what would you be and why?
Food? Why food? Ayoko Ay, char. Maybe carbonara. Because I love carbonara, so I'm just gonna go for that because I have no idea. Like, I don't want to be a food. I want to be a person, a human being.
Okay.
Maybe an animal.
Okay, scratch that. Okay. If you're an animal, what would you be and
I
why?
want to be a dog.
Okay, what breed?
I want to be a poodle because I have poodles. I just want to be that cutesy dog there, and I'm just gonna rest and I'm gonna be taken care of. And people will love me because I'm hypoallergenic. So, yeah.
Love that. Okay, can you talk about the space? Where are we?
Okay, now we're in the 3rd floor of Asbury. Like, it's a really nice co-working space. And we're gonna go out and we're gonna be quiet because there are other people working here.
I love that. So will you give us a quick tour?
Come here. This spot. I love this spot. And you know why? Because I can just stay here and swing. We're just gonna swing here. That's spot. They record there. I don't know what's that, but like another working space. Office. And otherwise barefoot. I think I saw a lot of barefoot when it comes to like productions, right? So I super love productions also.
Okay, going back to the questions. What is the hardest part about being a TEDx organizer?
chill lang ako eh. So, di ko iniisip kung anong pinakamahirap. Pag iniisip ko, edi mas stress ako. We don't want any stress.
I love that.
But I guess for other people, how I see it, making sure that everything is organized and like coordinated, especially in the actual TEDx event. That's one thing that, you know, like super pressure na everything needs to be like, I don't know, everything needs to be in accordance. So like, yeah. Since we're talking about TEDx event, let's go to the rooftop para ma-de-stress tayo. Kasi, alam mo yan, it's fun, but sometimes it's also stressful. There's always that, you know, mix of both fun and stressful, which is good. It's a good stimulation for a lot of people. Because you need a little pressure to be pushed.
For sure. Okay, next question.
Guys, ang ganda. Feeling ko na ang init ng rooftop. Wow. We're out in the wilderness. Wow. Oh, my butterfly.
Okay, next question. What's the best type of person who can handle organizing a TEDx event really well? Like stereotypical TEDx organizer. So probably like the stereotypical person that would, you know, jive well with the role.
I think someone that is detailed, responsible, of course. Let's put it out there. Detailed, responsible, always has the drive, but at the same time, who knows how to have fun. Kasi, well, we don't want it to be like super work. I think a good like working environment is when you know how to have fun with your like colleagues. At the same time, you know, you can handle them well when it comes to responsibilities, keep them on the ground, tapos make sure that everything is getting forward. And aside from that, siguro yung being ready lang for unexpected, I don't know, emergencies, because you can never tell the future eh. Even if you decide like what to do already, sometimes it doesn't go as planned. So it's always important to have a contingency. Let's start a bonfire here. It's so cute. Look guys, this is the rooftop. In front is the Iglesia ni Cristo. So, yeah. Ang init. Let's go inside.
Okay.
Ang init.
Last
But
5
at least maganda yung
questions.
lighting.
Okay, love that. That is so true. Last 5 questions.
Yung coffee face ko.
Okay, last 5 questions. Are you ready? This is gonna be a fast talk.
Oh my god, fast talk. Wait, boy abunda.
Yeah. Okay. Ready? So whatever comes into your head,
Okay.
that's gonna be the answer. No need to
Okay,
like super
okay.
think hard about it. Okay.
Oh my god.
Would you
Sige.
do it again?
TEDx?
Yes.
Yeah, it's fun.
Love that. Okay. Favorite TEDx talk?
Favorite TEDx talk? Oh my god. I like yung kay, kay, see, oh my god. Guys, I'm bad at names, but I swear I remember her face. Is that the Pamela Reyes?
I see.
Okay, there we go.
Pamela Reyes.
Yeah.
Okay. Favorite TEDx speaker?
Yun, diba?
Talk and speaker are the same. So regardless of the
Okay.
speaker.
Well, I actually like Ate Pam and siguro si Sir Paco. Sobrang bait. He was so early also. Like, alam niyo yung call time, 8:45. He was there like, what, 8:30 or something. Like, early talaga. Sobrang, so humble also and gave us ice cream. So, thank you so much, Sir Paco.
Okay, last 2 questions. If you could change something about the current operations of TEDx, what would it be and why?
Wala naman. Alam mo, actually, I was really scared that can we even pull it off? Like, guys, we're just, as in, this is like a trial thing. Because TEDx we've been organizing has been like show, like, not small, but it's not as big as this. And we're partnering with like really big brands. So like, alam mo yun, scary. But I wouldn't change anything because it's really the drive and passion of the people who are working. That's why this is happening right now. We're making it happen right now. So yeah.
Love that. Okay, last question before we let you go. Do you think
Let
that
me
they
go.
should attend our TEDx Women Conference at the theater at Solaire on November 15?
Of course, we worked hard for it. Dapat lang. Dapat lang. But for real, because you're gonna learn so much. And, you know, TEDx is here in the Philippines and it's open for everyone and it's not those university-led events. So, come. Joke lang. Bye-bye. I'm done na. I'm done. Okay.
Bye!